Well, in some Kawasaki motocross news, the rider brought in to replace Adam Cirillo because he's injured from motocross, Joey Savagty, is also injured and will be missing some of motocross, which kind of sucks. He obviously sustained a knee injury in Supercross, and as it says in the Kawasaki Instagram post today, as Versace Savagty continues to progress towards racing form, he will forego the opening round of the 2022 Pro Motocross Championship at Fox Raceway this weekend. Monster Energy Kawasaki and Savagty are pleased with this swift transition to the KX450 SR in only a few short weeks and will look to line up soon. They didn't give a actual date for soon, so that could be, who knows, a couple weeks from now, whatever, but it's kind of funny that you replace one injured rider with another injured rider who's not even going to be there. So if you're looking for Kawasaki, you're only going to be watching Jason Anderson, at least at Race 1 at Fox. But in the comments below, tell me, how do you think Savagty is going to do on the Kawasaki? Do you think he's going to be mid-pack? Maybe, well, once he starts racing, obviously. Or, maybe racing up for some podiums or something like that, being on a full factory bike, full factory team. Whatever it is, comment down below. I'll see y'all later. Peace!